What to do, y'all? For today's project, we're gonna be welding this back on. I failed and this motherfucker broke off. So, we about to put it back on. But I melt it back on. We got the welder set up right there in the crib. Make sure it's on that gun. Right back. Alright, we back, y'all. We is back and we ready to melt some shit, you heard? Let's do it. Bow. Bow. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let me show them. Let me show them. Let's do the bottom part now. Oops. Hit it from the other side right now. Alright, better get up under there. Ah, fuck. Fucking sparks getting me.